Albania is a land of deep blue seas and tall green mountains. It rests on the edge of the Adriatic and the Ionian, feeling like a secret held close by Europe. For many travelers, this country is a new name on the map, a place just beginning to open its doors to the world. But while it may feel new to us, the land itself is ancient, its soil holding stories in every stone, every olive grove. The sky above seems to possess a unique quality of light, one that constantly shifts, painting the landscape in different moods. Here you will find the quiet solitude of empty beaches. The Albanian Riviera is not just a destination, it's an experience, a ribbon of breathtaking beauty that stretches along the Ionian coast. The road that traces its path is a marvel of engineering and a joy to drive. It clings to the mountainside as it curves and winds its way, past hidden coves and sleepy old-world villages. Every turn reveals a new vista, each more stunning than the last. You can stop and breathe, to watch the sun dip toward the horizon, turning the water to liquid gold and the sky to shades of orange and pink. In small harbors, boats return at day's end, their crews hauling in the day's catch. Evenings glow in cafes and tavernas, faces lit by warm light. Find a quiet spot. Let time slow. Save a sun on your skin and the freshness of the sea and table. Not far from the sun-drenched coast, the land rises dramatically, and the landscape transforms. In the north, the accursed mountains stand tall and proud, a formidable name, steeped in folklore, but a reality gentle and captivatingly wild. As you ascend, mists wrap the peaks in a white shroud. Well-worn trails, used for centuries by shepherds and traders, wander rolling hills and deep valleys. In spring, the earth awakens, mountains burst into life, meadows bloom in color, and streams run crystal clear. The air is clean, cool, and deep. Pure vitality. From high ridges, lush valleys, and mirror-bright lakes unfold. Every step reveals a new detail. The delicate, the intricate, the luminous. Silence, broken only by wind, birds, and a distant sheep bell. These are journeys through a living landscape, history and folklore underfoot. Nestled deep within a valley lies Theth, a painting come to life. Traditional stone houses sit close, walls sturdy, roofs heavy with slate. In colder months, smoke rises in thin plumes. Life is tied to the land, small plots, livestock, the rhythm of seasons, roads for feet and hooves more than cars. The soundtrack, birdsong, wind in trees, and the river's melodic flow. Spend days hiking to Grunus waterfall or the mesmerizing Blue Eye. Hospitality is legendary. Warm beds, home-cooked meals, fresh bread, cool river on skin, stars bright above. A simpler world where time slows and peace finds you. Perched on a steep hillside overlooking a fertile valley, Gjirokastër wears its history on its walls. Known as the City of Stone, for good reason. Houses like miniature fortresses climb the slope. Cobbles, smoothed by centuries of footsteps. The mighty castle, one of the largest in the Balkans. From its walls, the valley and mountains stretch beyond. Grand Ottoman houses, fortified bases, ornate wooden balconies. Today, many are museums, lives of merchants and officials preserved. In the old bazaar, small cafes, artisan craft shops. People talk, sip coffee, savor the slow pace. The air, baking bread, grilling meat, rich local flavors, hearty specialties like kifki rice balls. A UNESCO site, preserved with pride. A city of stone with a warm, vibrant soul, history alive in daily life. In Albania, water doesn't only flow to the sea, it gathers in stunning lakes, moments of quiet and reflection. Lake Komani, spectacular, surprising, a reservoir with wild, untamed beauty. Many call this one of the world's great boat trips. At dawn, the lake becomes a flawless mirror. Waterfalls reveal themselves, remote homesteads appear, and slender canyons open like secrets. The rising sun washes the gorge in gold and amber. Further south lies Lake Ohrid, one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes. On the Albanian side, it's quieter. Pogradec nestles on the shore. At dawn, fishermen mend their nets, silhouettes against pale light. Fresh water, fish, damp wood, scents of the lakeshore. Evening lays a golden blanket. Mountains turn purple. Under clear skies, stars feel close. Only the splash of oars remains. A mirror of peace. Quiet beauty for a quiet soul. Near the southern tip, just a stone's throw from Corfu, you'll find Ksamil. Dramatic cliffs give way to gentle bays and fine white sand. Water shimmers bright turquoise, then deep sapphire blue. So clear you can see tiny fish darting at your feet. 4 small, uninhabited islands sit just offshore, close enough to swim or paddle, little green oases. Small jetties reach to restaurants serving fresh seafood. A blissful rhythm, lounger, sea, shaded lunch, repeat. By midday, laughter of children, the clink of glasses, soft conversations, afternoon softens, breezes rustle olive and citrus trees. Rent a paddleboat or kayak, find hidden coves and private swims, warm sun, cool sea, grilled fish with lemon. Simple, pure happiness. Albania's gentle invitation. Let go and enjoy the moment. Across Albania, old castles stand as silent sentinels on hilltops and coastal bluffs, keepers of a long turbulent history, rough walls that have witnessed empires and rebellions. From the ramparts, wind whispers of battles and resilience. Beneath these stones, towns still thrive. Streets are narrow and winding, cobbles shine after rain, steps worn by generations, small doors, houses close, intimacy and community. Markets brim with color, sound, and scent. White cheeses, black olives, crusty bread. Old ways endure, meals shared, songs hummed, warm hands in greeting. Albania asks you to slow down. Notice the small, beautiful things. Listen with your ears and with your heart. It offers quiet beauty that stays with you. Sun-drenched mornings, wide views. The reassuring feel of ancient stone, the glow of new light. Wonderfully wild, yet comforting as home. Wake with pale dawn, walk a little, drink strong, sweet coffee, talk to a neighbor, drive a winding road, new perspectives at every bend, glide on a lake, wander a mist-hung trail. Where mountains meet the sea, authentic beauty waits. Walk softly, speak kindly, embrace hospitality, buy bread, share tea, and listen.